Hello,
¿Quién
Miss.
es Sour Switzer? ¿Quién es Sour Switzer?
So,
¿Quién es Sour Switzer?
We are going to write in social story. Miss, your
we're going
master
to
name.
write, so be ready with your notebook.
Thank you. Hello, Miss.
Hello, hello.
We are going to write in the notebook.
Yes, be ready with your notebook.
Okay. You are fine, Miss.
Tell me.
You are fine.
Yes, I'm fine. Why? Are you fine? Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So nice. Great. Okay, I'm going to share the presentation so you can start writing the topic in your notebook. There, tell me, Isabella.
I just have 3 books,
Oh, fourth grade.
and the other ones are of 3rd grade.
Okay, that was the mistake. Yes, but be sure that they give to you the fourth grade this time. Because this way you're going to have your books.
Miss, yo tengo en mi cuaderno las primeras páginas en Social Story, pero me pasé una página porque esa página se mira muy en blanco, más o menos así.
Okay. Okay, this is a topic for social studies, latitude and longitude class. So you can write it in your notebook. Write the topic in your notebook. Remember to write the day. What day is it today, class?
Monday, September 6th.
Right, we're on September 6th, that's right.
We have to copy this.
Yes, write the topic. Remember, this is a topic for social study today, latitude and longitude. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to write the topic.
What class is Miss?
We're in social, Valerie.
I finished, Miss.
Okay.
Miss, ¿usted cuándo cumpleaños?
My birthday was on May. Okay, let's start with social. The class, the topic for today is latitude and longitude. Now, do you have any idea what is the meaning of these words?
I copy that.
Yes. Let me tell you that every single time that you see this sign that says copy, it means that you are going to copy in your notebook. Every single time that you see this sign that says copy means that you need to copy the information that it's provided. Now, let's start here. I'm going to change the slide. Remember, the latitude and longitude is a topic. Now, if you remember, we're talking about the maps that we have. And also we talk about the globe. So using this globe, this is an example, we can see that in the earth, there are some imaginary lines. Imaginary lines. As you can notice here, we have some lines. They are imaginary. It means that they are not seen as simple sight. You cannot see this line. You are not walking and seeing lines on the earth, right? So they are imaginary. They are drawn just on maps to easily locate the places. Using these lines on map, they can locate the places. They can locate countries, cities, some places, right? As you can notice here, we have the lines also here seen in another way. This line help us to read maps. We can find it on maps. So they are latitude and longitude lines. So here I have the information, some examples. The lines of latitude. Lines of latitude are parallels. As you can notice here, they are parallels. They measure the angular distance from north and south, from equator 0 to either pole. Remember that we have north, here it's north, and this is the south. Well, so the lines of latitude help us to measure the distance from the north to the south, from the equator. Here is the equator. The equator is where it's 0 degrees. Where it's 0 is the equator. It's in the middle, in the half. It's in the half. To either the pole. So remember, we have one pole in the North Pole and South Pole. So the equator is in the middle from the pole. There are the lines of latitude. Lines of latitude. We have lines of longitude. The lines of longitude, as you can notice, they are meridians. Meridians, they are in this way. They are different because this measure the angular distance from east to west. That's the difference. They measure the distance from east to west. From east to west. And the prime meridian, the line that is now on the middle, it's called prime meridian, where it's 0 degrees. In latitude, it's equator. In longitude, it's prime meridian. So you're going to copy this information in your notebook. The lines of latitude and lines of longitude. Copy this information, please.
Miss, and are we going to do the circles?
Okay, no, we are not going to draw the lines. Right now, just write the information. Lines of latitude, yes, you can draw it. You can draw it. You can make a small drawing to know the lines of latitude here. Small drawing, not too big. You can make it small. It's okay.
That too, Miss?
Yes, that too. You have to write both information. So you can see the lines of latitude, they are, como decimos, de manera horizontal. In longitude, vertical way, right? So they are meridians. It's called meridians.
We have to copy the circles or no?
Yes, make the drawings, small drawings.
Okay, and the line that divides the circle.
Yes, because you need to know that this is prime meridian,
No,
right? Prime meridian.
Yeah. The line black.
That's one?
Yes, we have to write the line.
No, this line, no. Remember that the information first, copy this. Copy number 1, the information number 1. And
Okay.
if you have a space in the same page, copy down the other information in your notebook.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to copy this information.
Estaría en mi círculo.
No, alguien de la dos y están escuchando bachata.
Yes,
Why
it's
not?
okay, right? You can do it, sweetie.
Do
Write
we
it down.
have to color?
No, you don't have to color because we don't have too much time. Later you can color, but right now we don't have too much time to color. So just write the information and make the drawing. Remember to be on time with your materials in every single class. And have your camera on and your camera on and your microphone off. Just when you have a question, you have to unmute yourself.
Miss, and puedo remarcar la línea white with this.
Yes, you can do it, sweetie.
Okay, es que no se nota. Yes, en my circle, no me cabe todo, 75, 60, 45, 30.
Don't worry, just make the example. It doesn't matter if you don't have all the lines. It's okay. As soon as you recognize the lines, the way that they go, the equator, that you copy the equator.
Miss,
Tell me.
what is the title?
Remember that the title is latitude and longitude. This is the title, latitude and longitude. That's summary number 1. Camila, you finished?
I finished to copy. Está bien así.
Yes, it's great. Now write the information. Write the information. You draw, but now write the information.
Look, Miss, I finished.
Okay, Camila.
Miss, I'm drawing this for you.
Oh, it's so nice. So beautiful. So beautiful, your drawing, sweetie. Two minutes to finish.
I finished, Miss.
Okay, Andrea.
I finished, Miss.
Perfect. One minute to finish.
No.
Rosa, tell me.
I copy here media.
Sorry, Rosa.
I have copy print media.
The two of them? Yes, we need to copy two of them. Remember, every single time that you see copy, you have to copy. In this case, you have to write lines of latitude and lines of longitude. You can draw them. So in this way, you know what are the lines of latitude look like and the lines of longitude. Just that information you have to copy in your notebook.
I finished.
Me, I don't have the space to copy this.
Okay, Khaled, great. Listen, in my presentation, you see the two of them together. Usted mira las dos juntas. It doesn't mean that in your notebook, you are going to copy in that way. En su cuaderno, usted puede copiar primero lines of latitude y abajo copiar lines of longitude. No
Miss,
necesariamente los dos a la par.
I
Puede ir uno
copy.
primero y después el otro.
I copy in this way. I am Gabriela.
No me queda.
Yes, Gabriela, you copy first. You make the drawing and lines of latitude. That's great. Primero, su cuaderno.
Look at.
And then in another page, you write lines of longitude in the drawing. If you don't have a space, Khaled, that's another way to write it. Rebecca, great.
Thank you.
Okay. For the next time, remember, thank you, Andrea. No como yo lo presento aquí, usted puede copiar primero esto y después lo otro. Porque su cuaderno es más pequeño, no le cabe igual que a mí.
A mí me coupons.
Okay, that's great. If you have enough space, you can do it in that way. If not, using the space that you have, copy in that way. Now, let's go to next one. Too much time. Remember, you have to write fast. Ya días no
I
escribía.
finish.
Long time ago, you didn't write in your notebooks.
I finish all of this.
You finish everything? Okay. Okay, remember that when we are on a map, we know that there is a north, south, west, and east, right? The distance. So that and west, that's right. So these lines help us to identify also this these four locations, the 4 locations. So these locations, for example, we have a map, we can write the latitude and the longitude. First, we write the latitude and then the longitude. Remember, the latitude are parallels and longitudes are meridians. For example, okay, Joshua, excellent. For example, we have 40 north, 40 because we start with the latitudes, and 30 on west of the longitude. So that's the way that we wrote the locations. That's the way that we wrote the locations. Okay, let's go to next slide. Let's go to next slide. Everybody finished?
Miss,
Valerie?
we have to write the thing that says location are writing as follow, latitude, longitude, everything.
No, you don't have to write this. Now it's just information, just information. Now, here we use, do not copy this, do not copy, use a coordinate grid. So as you can notice, we have a coordinate grid to find the locations of the Earth. So for example, here we have, remember, the prime meridian, this is the line from the longitude, and the equator, that means that we have the lines of latitude. So the latitude, for example, we have, if we want to find the Tropic of Cancer, it is here, right, with the line. So we know that it's at 23.5. It's where it's located. But if we want to know the latitude, the longitude, we need to check the other lines. Here down we have the information. We have the information, but we're going to do it together in this example. In this example here that we have. For example, if I want to ask you, what continent is at 20 south and 40 west in south? Okay, 20 south and 40 west. So we need to go and check our map. This is our map. So we go and look 20 south. Where is located 20 south? Remember that when we talk about the 20 south, we start first with the latitude. So we go to the lines of latitude that they are in this way, parallel. So we check, oh, here is 20 south. So I'm going to make a circle here for the 20 south. 20, here is 20. But we're looking the longitude of 40 west. We need 40 west. So we go and check where it's 40 west. So we look for the lines that are from the longitude, 40 west. So now here they are too small, but here it might be 40 west. Let's see, 20. We have one, 40 west. We're looking for 40 west. Okay, where is 40 west? So we are looking for 40 west. Okay, here it is. It might be here.
No, it's 20.
This is 20?
Yes. The 40.
The 40 west. We need the 40 west. This is 20 west, right? Okay, so it might be a mistake. Let's use 20 because I see that we have 220. So this might be 40. I'm going to make a circle here. It might be 40 west here.
Okay.
Yes, because there are 2. So which one? Okay. Which one? Yeah, the 2060 west. Okay, which of this, as the candidates we have, let's check this. This is 40 west. And we have 20 south. Now, which continent, sorry, it's at this location. So we go and check here, the 20 and of the 40, that is here, 40. Which continent? Where we have South America. South America, it's located in this point, right?
Yes.
So that's why it's South America, the answer, because that's the continent that using the latitude and the longitude we find out. Now, what happened with number 1? It's asking me 40 north. Now we need to check where is 40 north and 20 east. Who knows which continent it's a 40 north? Remember, we check 40 north, it's latitude. So we look for the lines that they are latitude. This way, like 40 north. It is here, right? 40 north. So I'm going to make a
Ocean.
And 20 is the
20 east. Where is 20 east? The lines, remember, they are from the longitude. So we look for the 20 east.
He's here.
Miss, I don't understand.
The 20 east. Okay, it's up, right? Here it is, 20 east. 20 east. Now, which country it's located? Remember, we're using the information here. 40 north. So we look for 40 north. North, it's up, right? Where is located the north? It's up. So we look for 40 and we find the 40 north is here. Now we look for 20 east. Where is the east? It's on the left, right, or on the left?
Europe.
Here. That's right. 20 east and 40. Now we check the line. This is 40 north and 20 east.
Europe.
It's Europe, that's right. So here it is where it make match. What we're looking for the 40 north, the line, this is the line that comes from 40 north, and the one that comes from 20 east. 20 east, donde se juntan? They make a match in Europe, right here. You see, 40 north and 20 east, it's on Europe. So the continent that we find is Europe, right?
¿Dónde se juntan?
Miss, ya la voy a traducir.
Okay.
Cuando
The second one, what ocean?
¿Dónde se
Now we're looking
juntan?
at ocean. Yes, that's right. What ocean is found at 20 south? First, let's locate 20 south. Where is 20 south located?
20 east.
20 south. We're looking 20. Here is 20, right? 20 south. It's all these lines. All these lines. You can notice here we have 20 south, also south. This is a 20 south. So we find out the 20. We already have it. And 100 east. Where is located 100 east? Now we need these lines. We need the lines of longitude.
this means at 70 west.
This one,
What? No.
this is 100 east, right?
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
100
No,
east.
what? Is
Do you see 100 here? 100 and one letter E? No? Yes. It's so small maybe for you, but it says 100 and there is a letter E. So it means 100 east. Now we have 100 east, it's this one, with 20 south. Which ocean is found here in the intersection of 100 east and 20 south with this line? What is the name of the ocean?
India Ocean. India Ocean.
Indian Ocean. Excellent. Indian Ocean. How do you know that is the Indian? Do you see 100 east comes until here because here is 20 south. 20 south with 100 east make a match intersection in the Indian Ocean, right? That's the way that the lines help us to find a location. Now, number 3, let's find number 3 together. What continent, this is a continent, is at the 20 south and 140 east? Again, we have 20 south and 140 east.
Pacific Ocean.
Continent, we're looking at continent.
Continent.
20 south and 100 east. Where is 100 east from here? Remember that it's at the right side. So in this side is 140 east.
North America.
It is here, right? 140 east. Let me circle with another color. I'm going to use
Hacia allá.
140 and 20, right? 20 south. 140 comes the line here and the 20 south. Which continent makes match in the 20 south?
Asia.
Australia.
Australia, that's right. And the 20 south, we have Australia. And in the 140 east. Do you see 140 east comes here in this line? and the 20 also. So it's going to be Australia. That's right. Perfect. That's going to be Australia. Now, what ocean is a 40 south and 160 west?
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
40 south and 160 west. 160 is the Pacific Ocean. That's right. Excellent, Rebecca. South Pacific Ocean. And what continent is the 40 north and 100 east? Continent at the 40 north,
North America.
40 north, and 100 east. 100 east and 40. Who
Asia.
say Asia? Who say Asia? That's the answer.
Me.
Australia.
That's right. Excellent. That's it. The answer is Asia. Here it is. Perfect. So as you can notice, using the lines of latitude and longitude, we can find a location. Yes? Questions about this topic? Question. Is it clear? Yes?
Miss, I finished. Look, I am Gabriela.
Show me your notebook, please.
Gabriela, I am.
Okay. Excellent.
The topic is really easy.
It's easy. Okay, we're going to stop the class here and we're going to continue this topic in next class. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.